Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. This is Jared, JaredDigital.com. In this video, we'll take a look at Click Paydays. Now, essentially, guys, this is a brand new app or software that will let you guys auto-extract emails from different kind of places like Google, Facebook, Twitter, and you'll be using the software to extract targeted leads. The reason why I say targeted is because you can use a certain keyword. So let's say you wanted to build an email list in weight loss offer or self-help offer or whatever offer that you wanted to promote, then you can use this software to extract leads, targeted leads in different kind of niches, right? And there is a done for you campaign inside of the software. So if you don't know what product to promote, then inside of Click Paydays system, there is a done for you campaign that you can just plug in and play and start making money. So you never have to worry about where to get products to promote and getting your product approved, because if you're a beginner and you don't have a sales history in WordPress, it's really impossible for you to get your link approved, right? So this solves one of the biggest problem. The first one is email list building, second one is getting your link approved, third one is that driving traffic, right? So basically this is like an all-in-one solution that you can get in right now, right? Now I'm not saying that if you get into Click Paydays you will make money instantly. You're gonna need to work on this, guys, because you're not getting warm leads, you'll be getting cold leads, and you need to warm up those leads, that way you can get results, right? So yeah, basically this is all about extracting leads from different kind of marketplaces or different kind of places like Google, Facebook, and sending out a promotional email to those leads and making money with, you know, your affiliate links to whatever product or offer that you want to promote, or you can use it done for you campaign or done for your product inside of Click Paydays, right? So yeah, before I'm gonna walk you through and show you guys the demo of this, how this works, let me show you first my bonuses. So if you decide to pick up Click Paydays, through the link down in the description of this video. Alright, so when you guys click the link, it will take you that to my bonus page. It looks something like this. And we scroll down to the bottom portion of this page, you can get access to all of my custom made bonuses right here. My bonus number 1, I'm gonna give you guys access to the exact emails that I use. This is a 300 plus done for you handpick high converting emails. Plus I'm gonna give you guys access to my 30 days email follow-up sequence to warm up your leads. Just like I said a while ago, you'll be getting cold leads, right? So I'm gonna be giving you access to the exact emails and swipes that I use to get real fast result, right? So that is my bonus number 1. My bonus number 2, guys, I'm gonna be showing you a method. This is actually the method that I use daily to make $100 per day using your mobile phone, right? Let me show you some of my results right here. Alright, so this is my email and these are the results that I'm getting using this method. I'm gonna be showing you the back end on I'm gonna be showing you guys the process or the back end of this method. Alright, and you can do this method using only your mobile phone to make $100 per day, right? So that is my bonus number 2. My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna be showing you how to build an email list really fast and using a done for you brand new free traffic method. And you can also use this method, guys, to build an email list in different kind of niches, right? So yeah, that is my bonus number 3. My next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to a 3-in-1 email marketing software to automate your affiliate marketing business. You can automate your Facebook account, your Twitter account. You can send emails and SMS using this software right here. You can also use this software to send out an emails once you extracted leads from Click Paydays. You can also export those leads inside of this 3-in-1 email marketing software, and you can start using the software without monthly payment, lifetime access for free. Alright, so that is my bonus number 4. Next bonus for you guys, I'm gonna give you guys access to the to a case study on how I'm able to make $4,000 in free commission using only a set and forget free traffic method, right? This is really powerful, and you can easily replicate this method, guys, to whatever product or offer that you wanted to promote. This is a really powerful, and this is gonna blow your mind, guys, right? So that is my bonus number 4. My bonus number that is my bonus number 5. My last bonus, guys, is all vendor bonuses, right? So you'll be getting all the bonuses from the vendor inside of your account, right? So when you click any of these buttons right here from my bonus page, it will take you this, guys, to the sales page. It looks something like this, right? The headline says 3-click app auto extracts unlimited read hat buyer leads, creating a secret money printing machine that pulls in $500 to $1,000 per day on autopilot. Alright, so you can make more than this, you can make less than this. That depends on the effort that you put in, guys, because you're gonna need to warm up those leads. Right, guys, I'm gonna be showing you guys the demo of this, how this works. And by the way, guys, there are some upsells of this product. You can actually learn those upsells in my bonus page right here. Right, so let me explain to you what are those upsells. For the front end, this is only $8, guys, for the first 6 hours, but once after 6 hours, it will bump to $12. So you're gonna need to get this, within the first 6 hours to get this for only $8. Alright, and then OTO number 1 is the unlimited version of this, so you can generate or track unlimited leads for only $27. Alright, and then OTO number 2 is done for you. Alright, so $147. OTO number 3 is automation. Upsell number 4, guys, is fast CAD code. Upsell number 5 is done for you buyer traffic. Upsell number 6 is a commission maximizer. Upsell number 7 is 6-figure license rights. Upsell number 8 is automated 1K profits. Upsell number 9 is Paydays mega bundle. Now I'm not gonna show you guys what are these upsells because I don't have access to the JB document, but basically you can learn what are these upsells once you go through the funnel, right? So yeah, those are all the upsells, guys, and I'm just gonna play a demo video. And if you have any more questions about this, please let me know in the comments section below. I'm gonna try my best to answer all of your questions, and I hope to see you guys in my next review video. Bye, love you, bye.
Hey guys, welcome to this amazing demo video, and in this video today I'll be showing you our latest software called Click Paydays. Click Paydays is a powerful tool that auto extracts unlimited red hot buyers and turn it into a secret money printing machine that can generate $500 to $1,000 a day on complete autopilot. Now, Click Paydays turns every clicks and visit to leads without the conventional opt-in pages. It uses a lead extractor technology that collects free verified leads from Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, TikTok, LinkedIn, Google, and Yahoo, and in turn turns them to money printing machine for you. So now let me show you how this amazing tool works in few clicks. So I'm going to log in to my account. So once you log in, you have access to the dashboard. On the dashboard here, you can see you have the campaigns where you can create your campaigns, you can manage campaigns, and you also have access to done for you campaigns. You have the email suites, you have the bonus library, you have ads builder, bestsellers, and the likes. So to get started, the very first thing you need to do is to come to manage leads on that email suites. So you create a new list. So you give your list a name, rapid list. Then you click on save. Okay, so once your list is saved, so you can see you have the name and then you can see the actions there. So the next thing you want to do is to pick a product that you want to promote. Now inside Click Paydays, we have offers that you can promote. We have best-selling offers on Warrior Plus and JV Zoo. So you can also come to our affiliate product section to see done for you affiliate products that you can pick and promote. Or you can just come to bestsellers and also click on either Warrior Plus or JV Zoo. You see the top selling product at the moment. So all you have to do is to pick one of these products. So in this case, I'm going with one of our own products base. So I'll come to campaign, then click on create campaign. give my campaign a name and traffic because that's the name of the product I want to promote. So here you put the affiliate link or any URL that you want to send people to after you extract their emails from the social media platform. So here I'm just going to put in this link here. Okay, so then you select the social type, that is which platform do you want to extract these leads from. We have Google, we have Facebook, we have Instagram, we have Twitter, we have LinkedIn and Yahoo. So I'm going to select Google and then you select your list here. Once you select that, you click on the submit button. So you can see in just one click, your campaign is ready. So this is the link that you want to copy. So you can just click on it to see how this works. Once they click on this link, it will ask them to continue using any of their Google email address. So let's say I clicked on this and you can see automatically it redirects to the product page or to the affiliate link. So now they can decide to buy the products. Even if they don't buy the products, you already extract their email address. So how do you know this? If you come to your Click Payday account, so just refresh this page. So you can see you have one lead already and you can see the number of clicks you have to click. And this is the URL that you're promoting. So you can always edit or delete the campaign. So once we created a campaign, the next thing is to monetize these leads. So you can come to email suites. Can you see that? And come to email writer. This is an AI email writer that creates 28 email follow-up sequence for you. Yes, you heard me right. This app creates 28 email follow-up sequence for you in any niche. All you have to do is just to fill in simple details about the product you are promoting, and in one click you have 28 ready to send emails that you can use to monetize your red hot leads that you just extracted from this big giant platform. So I'm going to fill in these details and see what comes out. Okay, so you just need to fill in this simple form and you can get all the details from the sales page of the products you're actually promoting. So I'm just going to complete this. So then all I have to do is just to hit the submit button. You can see in one click the emails have been written. If you click on view emails, you can see this email one. This is powerful, guys. Email 2, can you see? 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, till you get to 28. Can you see? So all the emails are written for you and you can just copy and paste to start monetizing those leads. So let's say I want to use any of the first one. I can just see this is the subject. So I'll just come to email suites, click on sender. So once you come to send email, you select the list that you want to send the email to. Then you're from, this is the email you want to use as the sender email. Then the subject. So I'm just going to copy the subject. You see that? Paste here. Then the body of my message. Copy that as well. Paste here. Can you see? All your links are there. You can just cut this out and hyperlink instead. You see that? So we're good to go. Yeah, I can hyperlink this as well. So once that is done, then you hit the send button. Can you see email sent? That's how to use Click Paydays to start generating $500 to $1,000 per day on complete autopilot. So this is an amazing software. Thank you for watching. Bye.